Yes, I would like to hear about the Shingon Buddhism founder, Kukai. So who is Reverend Kukai? Please tell us.
He's the founder of the Shingon Buddhism, and he's a very genius person and a very knowledgeable. He brought many things from China to Japan. When he was 20, he became a priest, and he studied Buddhism as himself. And he went to the old Japan. He practiced Buddhism. And then eventually he encountered a special scripture named is Dainichikyo. It's one of the sutra of the Shingon, I would say the esoteric Buddhism. So this sutra written in Chinese and Sanskrit, at the period in Japan, no one can read it. So the Kukai, our founder, he needed some master. He was need his master, and he decided to go visit China as a priest. And he asked his uncle, who working for the government, and when he was 30, he made his dream true. He had to visit China. And he brought back the idea of the Shingon esoteric Buddhism.
So he had a training or something in China by some secret master?
Yes. When he visiting China, he met many things. He met many people, but the biggest person was Keika. It's literally it's his master, the Kukai's master, Keika. He already had more than 1,000 disciples at his Chinese temple. But when the Kukai visited his temple, he said that I was waiting for you. I should give all of the things of esoteric Buddhism to you. So you should have this ceremony tomorrow and then receive everything. That's what the Keika master said. And Kukai received all of them. Then he correct many different scripture and the sculptures, and he copied all the sutras, mantras, and then bring back everything to Japan after 2 years later.
Wow. So 2 years was enough to learn all the teaching?
So when the 1970, 1990, so that's very ancient time, going to abroad is very, very difficult. Use a ship and this spend more than a couple months. Then no one knows is make it or not, able to make or not. So the priest who sent by government for study in abroad usually required more than 20 years study in abroad. But the Keika say that to Kukai, you should going back Japan right away. Then you should preach this Buddhism to the people. And you should work for the people's happiness as a priest. That's what Kukai received from Keika master. And there is a very great opportunity at the period. So Chinese emperor had changed. So the Japan sent different ship to China, like a celebration. He correct all the important scripture and the sculptures. By that day, the ship coming to China, and then just in 2 years, he bring back everything to Japan.
Wow, that's quite a story.